In this video, I'm going to show you how you can block websites from send you notifications. So if you have a problem with websites sending you notification, you can go ahead and make a setting in your Firefox browser so that only specific websites can send you notifications, or no website can send you notifications at all. So to do so, just go ahead and tap on this menu bar here, and then from this, go ahead and look for the option called settings, and here it is. If you tap on it, it will take you to the settings page here, and under this, look for the option called privacy and security. So if you tap on it, now scroll down until you get to the option called permissions, and here look for the option called notifications, and you can see it is here. If you tap on it, now here you can go ahead and list specific websites here to allow them to send you notification. However, if you want to block all new requests, go ahead and check on this box. And when you check in this box, this will block new requests asking to allow notifications. So we are told that this will prevent any website not listed above from requesting permission to send notifications. And you're also informed that blocking notifications may break some websites' features. So if you're okay, go ahead and tap on save changes. And if you have any other website, as I said here, that you want to allow, go ahead and list it here and it will be added. So I'll go ahead and tap on save changes, and now websites are blocked from requesting to send me notifications. So that's how you block websites from requesting to send you notifications in Firefox. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.